Let me introduce you myself to everyone. I'm Pushkaraj Bhagat and I'm an equity investor. I'm also a co-promoter at Bharonas Hightech Agro Private Limited. And investing in stock markets, investing is my passion and I've been doing it for a while now. And I also work at Ratna Trading Agency for the past 1 year to make sure I have the expertise, the practical skills to make sure I'm able to use my tools efficiently. And I received my certification from NSDL. NSDL is National Securities Depository Limited. It is the largest depository in India where our online shares in the demat form are stored. It is the largest depository in India. So I'll begin the session today. It's going to be a great session. You are going to enjoy it, and there is so much knowledge to gather that it's just impossible to sum up in just 30 to 40 minutes. So with no further ado, I'll start the session. So why we have to invest in today's world? What is the opportunity that is in front of us? I'm going to explain you step by step. Today we have a unique opportunity to grow at the same rate as Mr. Mukesh Ambani, at the same rate as Mr. Ratan Tata. So you'll ask me, how is this possible that you can grow at the same rate at these global leaders, where right now it is just unimaginable. Mr. Mukesh Ambani is at a level, he's going to be a trillionaire by 2030. You look at Geo, every day we hear news about someone purchasing some stake in Geo. And why is there so much chaos? Why is there so much noise? When I was studying over the past 2, 3, 4 years, I realized that most of us do not even know what exactly stock market is and why people invest. We only hear stories that he lost 1 lakh rupees, he lost 2 lakh rupees. Obviously, he will lose money if he doesn't know how to invest. So if you don't know the tools, if you don't know how to invest, you are obviously going to lose. When I was reading, I realized that only 2.5% of the Indians are actually investing in our Indian companies. And compared to the US, 40% of the US citizens are investing in their mother countries, their companies, US companies. So, why is there such a demand and supply gap? You see, before this current crisis, India was growing at a rate of 7% per annum. The whole India was growing at a rate of 7% per annum. So why would you keep your money in the bank where the savings rate has fallen to 2.75%? Banks are offering such a low interest rate. It's literally giving you the impressions, the warnings that look how low we can go and how less we are offering you. Only 2.75%. It's not much. If you invest in the whole economy, 7% India is going to grow anyways, excluding the current crisis, excluding the current unprecedented situation. It's a very sad situation which we have arrived upon today. But mark my words, in the next 25 years, India is going to be an economic superpower and the growth is actually going to accelerate. Now, the positive side of this pandemic is that the huge corporations, huge companies are shifting. I request you all to mute your audios because it's directly, sir, thank you. So, in the next 25 years, India is going to be a major superpower. And what has happened is, due to the coronavirus crisis, the process has accelerated. Huge companies, there is a list of 1,000 companies who want to come and invest in India, majoritarily in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. They want to set up their companies, they want to come here and invest. What will happen? India is going to grow at a faster rate than ever before. So, what is going to effectively happen is that the whole economy is going to expand at a rate never seen before. And the stock market, where we are able to invest in the Indian companies, whenever I say invest, I do not refer to trading. I do not promote trading. I do not support trading. Trading is for speculators. Today you win, tomorrow you lose, and then you keep on repeating that process to recoup that earlier loss. That's why I'm not into trading. It's not that I uh, I'm shaming the trading work, but I personally don't do, and I'm not going to promote it with you all, because those who invest, they are going to be the leaders. They are going to stay two steps ahead of everyone, because when we invest, we effectively create assets, the assets which are going to earn us revenue in the future. That's why whenever I say we invest, it's a 10-year plus game. We select a quality business, we do the complete 5 step analysis, the canceling technique, we use every tool we have in ourselves, and using the tools, we invest in a company for a horizon of 10 plus years, not for 1 year, not for 2 years, not for 3 years, horizon of 10 plus years. Investment is a patience game, my friends. It's not that I invested 1 lakh rupees today and my bank is sending me a notification of 3 lakhs as a profit. It doesn't happen in a day. It's a long process. Warren Buffett, he started investing at the age of 13. And today, when I see his conversations, he says that I wish I started even earlier. I mean, what does he want to say? He already started at the age of 15, so 13. At the age of 13, he started, and he's saying that, that this was the thing. At the age of 13 also, he's saying that I wish I could have started much earlier. That's why we have to understand the situation which we are upon. And this is the structure which I'm forming up. I want to cover each and everything in this. I request you all to mute your audios, to mute your devices, and even if you can switch off your video, it's not an issue. Okay, so this is the 7 point structure which I'm going to work on. Learn how inflation is killing your wealth, the power of compound, basics of advanced equity analysis, the Indian economy, the overview of mutual funds, and portfolio management. So effectively, what I'm going to try is, today I'm going to cover these two topics. Learn how inflation is killing your wealth. Inflation is a tool which takes wealth away from you without you even knowing it. Inflation, it literally pokes you that, invest, or will take your wealth away. Literally, inflation does that work. Fortunately, I'm not in support of any political party, but fortunately, since the 2014 new government form, India at least the inflation is as a level of 4%. Before the 2014 government, I don't want to take the political party's name, but India had an inflation rate of 10%. Can you imagine? 10% each year, the prices used to rise by 10%. So how is this going to affect us? At least I thank the current government which is there. At least we are having an inflation rate of 4%, which is manageable. So today I'm going to cover these 2 points: inflation and power of compounding. Power of compounding is a magnificent concept. If you are able to use it, you are going to move much higher. So before I open up a whiteboard and show you all how exactly the power of compounding works, what I'm going to effectively do is, I'm going to show you an example of what power of compounding can do. I think you can see rupees 2 lakh invested in Wipro, rupees 2 lakh invested in Wipro in 1980 have amounted to 8,100 crore in today's denomination. Rupees 2 lakh invested in Wipro in 1980 have amounted to 8,100 crore in today's denomination. I mean, I wish my grandfather knew how to invest. At least today, I wouldn't have. I would be sitting somewhere on an island. I don't know where, but I wish my grandfather knew how to invest at that time. For unfortunately, he didn't know. But today, we are there to take over this initiative and make sure that we can become that grandfather who invested at that time, where the power of compounding is a magnificent concept. He invested 2 lakh rupees. This is a real case scenario. You can go up, check up everywhere. This is authentic. I'm not fabricating anything. The point that the figures are so large that we ourselves can't believe. I myself couldn't believe. I wish my grandfather could be seeing this and regretting what an opportunity he lost. And obviously, I also lost due to him, but no problem. We can take over from the start. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out a whiteboard. I'm going to take these interest rates, and I'm going to show you all how it really affects us and what we are going to exactly achieve from it.